So we are in Tattoo Nation, Kenya. We came to get matching tattoos for couples. My tattoo is just done and the job was done perfectly. So you're next. What can you tell us about Tattoo Nation Kenya studio?
We are here at Tattoo Nation Kenya.
In Kiambu?
Yeah, it's in Kiambu County. I got their contact online. They are on TikTok mostly. You can get them there. And I contacted them. I was so happy about their response. They really respond to clients very fast. And we are here. We had a section today at 12. So they've already done my hubby tattoo. He's so happy about it. So I'm so excited, waiting for mine and a bit scared. I'm so scared of needles. Hopefully, I'll be done in around 45 minutes. So,
can you tell us something about the studio? Studio is clean.
It
looks really cool. We will show you studio later.
Very big actually. It's huge.
For people who are concerned about the needles are new, removed from the package.
Yeah, you are scared of the needles. You thought they don't.
Many people are scared about it.
Oh, do they use clean needles? Yeah, you've seen for yourself.
Yes. Each place is nice, professional, clean.
Yeah.
You want to give us a tour? Let me just...
Yeah, okay. So that's their logo.
It's nice. Oh. The place looks really nice. It's really cool. They even have PlayStation here, people playing games. Oops.
We can do that. And they don't
waiting area. And this is where the magic happens. And the artist.
Yep.
Hello.
Hello.
The main guy.
The professional.
Yep.
You can see you're doing piercing too, right?
Yes, also piercings.
So there are numbers you can call, make appointment. So we're gonna continue now when Doreen is ready to start with her tattoo. So Doreen's tattoo is getting done, almost finished. Are you in the pain? What is your pain tolerance? Minus 100, huh?
20.
Minus
so
20.
Painful. It's painful on this time.
Let's make video from this side. We're gonna shoot through this loop. Nice.
It's not painful at all. Okay.
But it's not painful, but it's just that you are a crybaby.
I'm not a crying baby. I'm just scared of needle.
That's a lion? You didn't explain. Explain to people what kind of tattoos
Me?
we are doing. What kind of tattoos we are doing?
It's a lion tattoo.
Lion and lioness.
Lion and lioness, and it's if they're put together,
They're put
make
they form heart. Yeah.
Heart.
Okay, nice. We're gonna be back when it's done. So your tattoo is done?
Yeah, my tattoo is finally finished.
Let us see your...
That's the final.
It's really nice.
You like it? Once you like it, I love it as well. I love it.
Did you enjoy getting your new tattoo?
I did. It was fun. I really wanted something for us, and we chose lions and lioness. And,
it's done really well.
Yeah, love it so much.
Would you recommend people to come and get their
the
tattoo?
best place to come for a tattoo is
Tattoo Nation Kenya.
Yeah. You got it. It's not very far from the city.
The place is really nice.
Ruiru, Kimbo. So you're all welcome to Tattoo Nation Kenya. If you need a perfect job, come to Tattoo.